Welcome to the Hostinger Coupon Code channel. If you're on the hunt for incredible Hostinger hosting deals, you've landed in exactly the right spot. Now, I'm going to walk you through an example using Hostinger's business web hosting, but honestly, you can choose any plan that fits your needs. Here's where it gets really interesting. When you purchase through my special partnership link with Hostinger, you'll score an extra 20% discount. But if you just use a regular coupon code, you're only getting 10% off. So you can clearly see the significant difference in savings right there. I've selected the 48-month duration for this demonstration. And here's some fantastic news. You'll get a free domain plus 2 months of free hosting included with your order. Now listen up, because this is crucial. If it's at all possible, go with the longest duration available to maximize your discount. Let me give you a real-world example from my own experience. I purchased business web hosting for about $41 for 1 year. And when it came time to renew after that first year, my renewal cost shot up to around $95. However, if I had initially purchased the 4-year plan instead, my total cost would have been just $108 for the entire 4 years. Can you believe that difference? That's why I'm telling you, always go with the maximum duration possible. So here's exactly what you need to do. Check out the link in the description below and also in the comment section. When you click through that link, you'll be redirected to Hostinger's page. And from there, just scroll down a little bit to see all the available plans. I'm going with the single web hosting option, but you'll receive that same extra 20% discount regardless of which plan you choose. Now here's a pro tip. Always try to use a fresh email address that hasn't been previously registered with Hostinger to ensure you get the best deal. In this video, you'll notice the currency is showing in Indian rupees, but don't worry about that at all. What matters is that you're getting the discount, and if you convert that amount to your local currency, you'll see you're getting the exact same value. I've included 2 checkout links in the description, one specifically for India and another for the USA or anywhere else worldwide. So just click the one that applies to you and start enjoying these incredible savings today.